Welcome back to our channel. Glowing Star. If you're looking to keep your vision sharp and your eyes healthy, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 foods that can help protect and improve your eye health. From leafy greens to tasty nuts, these foods are packed with nutrients that your eyes will love. So, let's get started and stay with us all the way to the end. Almonds. To start things off, we have almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which protects your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E is crucial for maintaining healthy eyes and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Enjoy almonds as a snack or add them to your meals for a nutritious boost. Walnuts. Walnuts are not just a tasty snack, they're also great for your eyes. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, walnuts help reduce inflammation and protect against age-related eye conditions. A handful of walnuts daily can contribute to better eye health. Triphala. Triphala is an Ayurvedic blend of 3 fruits known for their antioxidant properties. It's often used to improve vision and overall eye health. Consuming Triphala powder mixed with water can be a great natural remedy for maintaining healthy eyes. Neem. Neem leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. They can help maintain eye health by protecting against infections and improving overall eye hygiene. Neem supplements or neem-infused eye drops can be beneficial. Mackerel. Coming in at 6, mackerel is another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for retinal health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and improve the overall function of your eyes. Incorporating mackerel into your diet can help keep your eyes in good condition. Stay with us till the end to find out the top 5 foods. You also can find many other equally informative videos on our channel. Your Karma, Your Health. Your Karma, Your Health is intended for sharing with y'all the simplest effective ways you can use to take control of your health and your life. Ancient medicine practices which are thousands of years old have imparted us great knowledge free of any propaganda engines. If you do good to your body will do good to you. Next time before you put something inside your body, ask yourself, what does your gut tell you? This channel is neither an anti-vaxxer propaganda campaign nor is it providing healthcare advice for patients, since it bears no liability for your reliance on the information contained here. But plain and simple, it says you need to understand what you ingest. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Alright, now let's get back to our video. Spinach. Spinach is another leafy green that's fantastic for your eyes. It is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from damage caused by sunlight and improve overall eye health. Add spinach to your salads, smoothies, or dishes to reap its benefits. Oranges. Oranges are not just a delicious fruit, they're also packed with vitamin C, which is vital for eye health. This powerful antioxidant helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A daily glass of orange juice or a whole orange can be a great addition to your eye care routine. Carrots. We all know that carrots are good for our eyes, but do you know why? Carrots are high in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps maintain good vision and prevents conditions like night blindness. Snack on raw carrots or include them in your meals to keep your eyes in top shape. Salmon. At second place, we have salmon. This fatty fish is rich in DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that is essential for the health of your retina. Regular consumption of salmon can help prevent dry eyes and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So, consider adding this delicious fish to your diet at least twice a week. And now, are you ready for our top food for your eye health? 1. Kale. Kale is a powerhouse of nutrients, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for eye health. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A daily serving of kale in your salad or smoothie can do wonders for your vision. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 10 foods to keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. Remember, Incorporating a variety of these foods into your daily diet can provide the nutrients your eyes need to function at their best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.